I would like to get started. I've opened quite a few events in this room over the past years, but none of them has given me as much pleasure as the event we're opening today, which is the award ceremony for the first honorary fellowship of RIHN. And this is the idea of the fellowship is in fact one set, as they would say in Japanese, with the person who will be receiving it now, because it was first when Sander van der Leeuw left the institute, in the sense that he was no longer the chair of the external research evaluation committee, that we said we want to keep this man somehow involved in the orbit, and we want to continue our engagement with him. Let's find some way to make that possible in a bureaucratic, but also in a sort of a nice symbolic sense as well. And this is how the RIHN Honorary Fellow idea was born. And it took us a little while to get organized, but we are here now to honor Sander and give him this fellowship. Before we start with the formal ceremony, I'm going to ask Professor Abe Keiichi to say a few words about the awardee.
ハインさんから二言三言とで、サンデラさんがどんな人でということを紹介してくれということだったんですけど、今見たらもうこのパンフレットに十分書かれてるんで、もう喋ることがないなと思って、少しだけまず自分のことから話をしようと思うんです。若かりし頃、若い研究者いてるけど、やっぱ自分でしかできない研究をやりたいなと。他の誰もやってないと。で、面白いことに地球研というのはそういった研究者が極めて多いところだなと思います。で、若い時、大体が傲慢損です。高い目標を立てると。自分の未熟さを学んでいる。それでもまあ自分なりの目標に向かってそれなりに頑張っていた。ただあまり道のないところ、誰もやってないところなんでしんどいですね。やぶこぎしてるようなもんよね。遠くには目標は見えてるんだけど、背の高い、自分より背の高い草が生い茂って、どこに行っていいのか分かんない。前に進んでるのか目標に向かってるのか分かんない。で、疲れてちょっと立ち止まった時に、あれと道があるやんと。誰もいないと思った。近石未踏だと思った時に、あ、誰だどうしたら誰だと思った時に出会ったのがサンデル。大きな背中が前の方に見えてる。誰もやらない。それに向かって進んでいるのが、その時に自分だけではなかったなということで、地球研というこの研究所もどこの研究所でもできない、ここでしかできないということを全体としてやってほしい、個人個人にそれをやってきている、そういった研究所だからこそ、ここで我々の先人、いつサンデラさんに追いつくか、一緒に並んで研究をできることもある。役割としては、本年度でも、昨年度でも、でも、我々の一番近いところで一緒に目標に向かっている生活として、おそらくそれが予算首相の、この名誉フェローというのを改めて設けて、地球研として一緒に活動できればという意味合いを込めたことだと思っています。一つだけ、サンデラさんというのはもちろんいろんなタイプのリーダーとして数えたことはないです。数百本にわたって論文をやってるのでも自分のやっていたことに関して一冊に本をまとめたことはなかったです。その本だけど自分の研究をまとめた本というのは確か来年の1月だと思うけど、ケンブリッジ大学からタイトルがソーシャルサステナビリティ、 First one, is it true? Is that my name or you? Pascal. Okay. この本、ぜひ読んでください。具体的にサンデーさん、どんな研究されたか、今僕は一言も言わなかったので、その本を読めば、すごく参考になる。で、その本の冒頭に何を書かれているかというと、我々の研究所への感謝の、この研究所、日本で、それが日本の本のきっかけになる。でもちろん社内では日本の手続きがあるんですが、その原稿というのを扱ってで、何人もすでに賛同してくださってるんですけど、この本をぜひ翻訳して、もちろん英語で書かれる本だけど、もっと広く日本の人も知ってもらう、その活動をやりたいと思います。名前を挙げてもみんなで参加する。これからでもいいです。ぜひその本を、この章をお願いしたいと思います。ぜひ、私に伝えてほしい。以上です。ありがとうございます。
At the reception tonight, Mr. I'll actually tell you what you just said to us. But he said very, very kind things about much trust. So before we start the actual official ceremony, I want to say just one or two words about the honorary fellow idea. In a nutshell, we primarily think of people outside of the institute who have in one way or another made some outstanding contributions to the direction, the dialogues, perhaps the ideas that float around, etc. at the institute. And in Sander's case, this has happened over many, many years, at least 7 or 8 years, I think, ago, it was that you perhaps visited here for the first time. I've paid many, I'm guessing at least a dozen short-term visits and 2 or 3 extended periods here. And over the past 6 years has also been a member of the external research evaluation committee, the committee that keeps us honest. We get lots of money from the ministry and we cannot just spend it as we like. We have people like Sander who help us sort of assess the quality and the relevance, etc. of that work. So that's been an extremely important role. In the last 2 years he did so as the chair of that committee. But the feeling again that I described just now when he stopped being chair of we will miss him and we don't want to lose him, I think it's also been because he's more than anybody else I think outside of the institute has had this outstanding commitment to, if I may say, love for the institute, that discovering us as something special and trying out all kinds of interesting things and perhaps not reaching the light shining not really far enough in the world, etc., and has really made tremendous efforts to help that light shine a bit further in the world, I think. So that's why in my mind we have this fellowship and we would like to give it to Sander. So now I'm going to invite Sander and Annie to come up to the podium, as well as our Director General, Messias Nani, for the actual award ceremony.
This is certified that Dr. Van der Leeuw Sandel was elected an honorary fellow of Research Institute for Humanity and Nature on June 21st, 2019. Dr. Yasnari,
words to Professor Yasunari to say just one sentence maybe.
今日はこの地球圏の名誉フェロー、初めての儀式ですが、ハイマーレさん説明されました。あるいは安倍さんも説明されましたように、我々にとって非常に大切な友達であり、それからサポーターであり、コラボレーター。We expect you a long-term friend of RIHN, very nice friend. So I think that this fellow, the honorary fellow, we expect that continuous long-term, wonderful friend to our institute. So and I hope you too a nice day of life and wonderful health for now. And please keep in touch with us for a long time. So,
thank you.
Now, before I start my lecture, I just want to say a few words about how all of this started and what it has done to Anik and myself over the last few years. And it all started with a meeting that I attended one of your international conferences. And a little bit after that, we went to London. And there we met with Daniel and with Abe-san. And we started talking about us possibly coming here. And then something happened that I cannot forget. And that is this smile that came on Abe-san's face. That is what convinced us that it was a good idea to come here. We have been here since 2013 quite regularly, and we have both, and Anik was saying that this morning even again, we feel that this is a home away from home. We feel that because of all of you and all that you have contributed, the way you have supported all kinds of adventures that we went to, the way that you've helped us to see very unusual parts of Japan over these last 6-7 years. And so there is for us a sense of gratitude, a sense of happiness, incredible happiness, also a sense of feeling very honored that you have bestowed me with this particular honorary fellowship. And so I simply want to embrace you all and thank you all for doing all of that, for being there, for being who you are, and doing the kind of research that you're actually doing. And I will get back to that in my lecture. Now, my Japanese is non-existent, but Anik has been whispering in my ear that I have to say, arigato daimasu.
Thank you.